Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is just showing off the new 8x8x8 LED cube that I've made. All blue LEDs, single colour. This is based on a design that I found on Instructables, and I think, to be honest, most of the cubes on YouTube use the same design. This is just my interpretation of it. So this uses a AVR ATmega32 microcontroller and then some LED latching chips that enable you to use the 512 LEDs off of that one microcontroller. So I'll just show you how it works here. Got it connected up, and we've got a toggle switch that will turn the power on, and then a push to make which resets all the latches. So if we flip that on, you'll see that some of the LEDs come on but there's no animation, but give the push to make switch a shot and you start the animation sequence. This just uses the standard animation that the original designer on Instructables used. I'm quite happy with the results from this. I did cheat a bit. I used an eBay seller is selling pre-made PCBs for this, so you buy the PCBs, load the components on yourself, and then obviously build the cube and connect everything up. He also sells a complete kit, I think for about £85, so that's worth considering. Although it is slightly cheaper to buy all the components yourself, and you will have some left over in case of any mistakes. One thing I will say about his PCBs is that the spacing for the transistor networks that are in this cube were a bit close together, and I ended up damaging the board and had to build up the transistor network on a separate piece of variable and then connect it in. And I don't know if it's that adaptation or his original board, but there does appear to be a problem when all of the LEDs are lit, that the middle layers are not as bright as the outer ones. But other than that, I'm very happy with it. This cost me in total, because I bought all the components separately, and including the case and the power supply and things like that, cost me about £120, including a few things like solder and some wire that I had to buy that other enthusiasts may have lying around. And this has taken me, I've just been pondering on it in the evenings for a couple of hours every now and again, and this has taken about 3 months to complete. The original guy that did this completed it in a week, so obviously I've been running a bit slower, but it might be something that you're interested in doing. The programming is all pre-written. I'll include a link to the Instructable in the description below this video, and if anyone's got any questions or queries, please give me a shout. Cheers guys.